Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is Sulikah binti Ramlan from SKU4. Today, I would like to show how to make Sambal Anchovies. Sambal Anchovies is a hot sauce or paste typically made from a mixture of a variety of chili pepper with secondary ingredients. Sambal Anchovies is made from Indonesian root of Javanese orchid. So what we will need in this recipe are 6 salad chopped, 2 dry chili, oil, 1 onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of tamarind sauce, 200 gram split anchovies, 1 teaspoon salt and sugar.
Hi guys, I'm Lailani Syukrina, binti Sarpudin from SKU4. Today I will continue to safety steps. First, wash your hand. Second, use the apron and safety boots. Make sure all the tools is clean. Don't put knives or other sharp objects in any sink. And last, put your food in safety places. Okay, we will continue to step. Firstly, blend the red onion and dry chilies finely using a blender. And put some water. Okay, secondly, heat up the oil in pan frying. 3 tablespoons of oil. And fry the blend in the ingredients. Stirring from time to time until they are fragrant and the oil floats to the top. Thirdly, add in sliced onion and fry about 3 minutes. Add in the anchovies and increase the heat to medium. Then fry for another 3 minutes to mix the anchovies and sambal. Add in the well tamarind sauce and bring to a simmer. Cook it to the consistency that you like. If you want dry sambal, cook it longer. Add salt sparingly as the anchovies is salty. If you like sambal sweet, use more sugar. Okay, lastly, turn off the fire and serve on a plate. Okay, that's all. Thank you.